Hi, my name is Mohammed, and today I'm going to show you some features that you can do in Microsoft Word 2010. Microsoft Word is basically used to write letters, reports, and all that text type of stuff. So, I have a written text here. So, now first I'm going to show you how you can apply borders and text to it. Then I'll show you some page configuration setups, and then I'll show you some font customization tools. So first let's do borders and shading. So for that, select the paragraph you want to apply borders on and do shading. So I'll select this. So for that, go to this arrow here and click it. Now at the very bottom, click borders and shading. Here you can choose 4 different types of borders: box, shadow, 3D, or you can do it custom. So I'll do box, and here are more than 30 different styles of lines that you can choose to apply around your border. Let's just choose this, and you can even change the color of the line. Every line has a different point width. This line only goes up to 3 points, whereas this first one goes up to 6 points. So every point has a different width. Let's just do this 1.5 point. And if you do it apply it to paragraph, it will apply to the whole paragraph. If you do it text, it will just do it individually to the whole line. So we need paragraphs, so paragraph and OK. So as you can see, it has applied the border to the whole paragraph, not individual lines. So how can we shade inside the border? Easy. Select this all again, go back to click on the arrow and go back to borders and shading. Here, go to the shading tab. Here where it says fill, choose a color you want to shade the text with. Let's choose green. And click OK. So as you can see, it has shaded the entire interior of the border with the color we chose. So this is how you can do borders and shading. So now let's do some page customization tools. So let's just undo this and do some page configuration. For that, go to the page layout tab. Here there are page margins, page orientations, and all sorts of stuff. So let's do margins first. Margins are really important. As you can see, now it is set it to 1 inch from each side, top, bottom, left, and right. You can choose narrow, moderate, wide, mirrored, Office 2003 default, or you can go with custom margins. So let's do custom margins. Suppose I want it to be 2 inch from all 4 sides. So for that, I'll have to write 2 and the quotation mark. If I don't put the quotation mark, it will just take it as a 2 centimeter. I don't want that. I want 2 inches. So the quotation mark is really important. So as you can see, it also shows you a page preview. It's not scaled, but it's good enough. So then click OK. As you can see, it has done the margins 2 inch from all sides, from top, bottom, even the sides left and right, because we set it. Now let's undo that. For page orientation, portrait or landscape, it just changes the style of text on your page. if you do portrait, it's gonna come vertically. If you do a landscape, then the page is gonna be horizontal length more. So it depends what you like. So portrait is good. And you can even change the page color. To change the page color, you just have to go to this page color icon and you can choose whatever color you want. Let's suppose we want green or red. We'll click that. Now as you can see, it has changed the page color to red. What if you want to delete the page color? It's easy. Go to page color and click on no color. It will just erase the color. So that was our page configuration tools. Now let's do some font customization tools. For that, go back to home. Here you see this group fonts. These are all the font customization tools. The basic ones I'll go through are bold, italicize, underline, font size, and font color. So if you want to change the font of something, you'll just have to select it and choose whatever font you want. Suppose I want a spooky font. I can do Chiller. Suppose if I want the Old English font, I can do Old English font. There are lots of fonts here. More than 300 fonts are available for you. You can choose from them. And if that's impossible to read, you can change its font size. There are two ways. You can select it and then you can either change it from here or you can do it from here. The good thing about this is it actually shows you, if you put the cursor on it, what the font size will be. So this is a lot better. So I'll just keep it 16. And for bold just bolds the text. It makes it thicker. So to bold it, select it and click this bolded B. So as you can see, it has bolded the text. If I want it to be italicized, I can click the italicize button. If I want it to be underlined, I can click the underline button. If I want it to be nothing, I'll just click them back again and it just disqualifies it. What if I want to change the text color? To change the text color, you have to select the text that you want to change the color of and click this arrow over here. From here, you can choose whatever color you want to change the text color to. Yellow, red, or whatever. If you want it to go back to black, you just have to click it and do automatic. So this was how you can do borders and shading, page configuration tools, and font customization tools. Word is pretty easy once you get to know it.